What's up guys, Cody from KHC here, and I know we are in the tire graveyard, but I promise what we are working on today is not going in the graveyard. It is actually a brand new 2024 JL Wrangler Rubicon. Now what we have planned for it is a Clayton lift kit with the Falcon shocks, the good old KHC special. We love this kit. It is an absolutely phenomenal kit if you are a Wrangler owner. We are going to be doing a couple other things. We are going to be putting in some taillights along with going up a size in tires. So without wasting any more time, let's hop in the shop. Zach has already started working on the Jeep. Let's go. Well guys, Zach killed it in the shop. The 2024 JL Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is done. Absolutely, the Clayton with the Falcon shocks look absolutely phenomenal. I think this is exactly what the customer was looking for, and I can't wait to see his face once he comes and picks it up. Well guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys don't mind smashing the like button, maybe leaving a comment of what you thought the transformation looked like, and maybe if you are a JL owner and if you're interested in one of these kits, reach out to us here at KHC. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.